I am Dr. Kapil Chaturvedi, Associate Professor in Department of Computer Application, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, SIS Group Bhopal. Today we will discuss a topic of data mining, as we are starting a series of data mining subject, in which in this lecture we will discuss the fundamental of data mining. What is actually data mining? So data mining is the knowledge data discovery process, also known as KDD. So basically data mining is a process which is used to find out the knowledge from huge amount of data. It's a fundamental of data science and data analytics, and to achieve that we have to follow multiple processes which we will discuss in further lectures. Basically data mining divided in 4 classes of tasks: classification, clustering, association rule mining and regression. But majorly we divide that process, then we can divide in 2 processes: predictive and descriptive. So knowledge will be in 2 types: predictive and descriptive. So find out predictive knowledge, we will follow classification, prediction, time series analysis based algorithms. And if we need the knowledge, descriptive knowledge, then we will follow association rule mining, clustering and summarization based algorithm. So we discuss in one-to-one. First one is classification. So classification is a major topic of data mining, which is used to classify the data to find out the knowledge. Basically that kind of algorithms to use the data in finance market to find out the better option to finance to the particular person. In this example we can see that we classify the data on the basis of their age and risk factor. Next one is the clustering, which explains to clusterize the data on the basis of some criteria. So data which will be in group will be known as the cluster, and data which will be outside of the cluster will be known as the outlier. So to find out the knowledge using that particular clustering approach, we will clusterize the data in different clusters. Next one is association rule mining. It's the most important and usable technique of data mining, which is highly used data which is used in supermarket to identify and recognize that which kind of products are highly in sale. To find out that patterns, we use association rule mining algorithms like a priori algorithm, frequent pattern algorithm, vertical data format algorithm, various algorithms, ARM algorithms we use to find out the patterns, and on the basis of that patterns, supermarkets arrange the products so that sale will be increased. We realize many times in case of window shopping, the bill will be very less, but whenever we visit the supermarket, our amount of bill will be huge, because we put multiple product in our market basket, because the items are arranged on the basis of frequent patterns. And the last one is regression. That mechanism is basically used to identify the similar patterns as per our criteria. So that particular mechanism highly used in research. Thank you. This is the first lecture of data mining. We'll continue that series, and to continue with us, please follow us on our channel. Thank you.